She is my kitty. Her name is Susie. Susie is hungry. Let's feed her. She enjoys cuddling. Let's go to play with toys. Let's play with ball. Let's play with dog. Oops, she's scared with dog. Let's play with cardboard box. She is hiding in it. Let's play with shoe. She feels tired. Let her sleep. She looks fresh after a nap. Let's play with mouse. She looks so pretty. Come on, let's go to dressing room. Let's try black dress. Looks pretty. Now let's try the pink one. Let's try the honeybee. Green looks more adorable. She is so cute. Let's keep the green